Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Yusuf, and in this video we're going to be going through section A, problem 4 of this SolidWorks mock exam for the CSWA certificate. If you don't already have yourself this PDF, you can grab it from the link in the description. So let's get straight into it. Part A, build this part in SolidWorks. Use the values below as needed, then find the mass of the part in pounds. Okay, so I don't normally work in pounds. I'm normally a metric kind of guy, but you know what? Not a biggie. Let's jump straight into it. So let's go to SolidWorks. So first things first, let's change our unit system to pounds, and we can begin. So we know that we have a ellipse. So let's go ahead and add our ellipse in. That begins at the midpoint, goes out to some height. Then what we're also going to do is add in a construction line between the two of those. So that gives us our ellipse at some distance. Let's go ahead and dimension it now. So we know that that's going to be 1.6 across and 0.5 across that way. So let's do that now. So this is going to be 1.6 across, and this is going to be 0.5 across that way. Okay, and then we have two holes on either side at a diameter of 0.125. So let's head back to SolidWorks, add in those holes at 0.125 on both sides, and we'll set these two equal to each other. Okay, and then the distance away from the edges are equal as well at 0.175 from both sides. Heading back over to SolidWorks, we can dimension that from here to there at 0.175, and it's going to be the same on this side, but this time we're going to set this one equal to that. So if ever we do need to change the distance, we only need to change it in one place. So if ever you see this little sigma symbol, that indicates that there's an equation there, and that's related to something else. Okay, so let's go ahead and confirm this. And back to our question, we need to extrude to a height of 0.15. So heading back to SolidWorks, let's extrude 0.15. Okay, next step would be this segment here. So we have a diameter up here of 0.45 and a depth of the same. So let's head back to SolidWorks and do that now. So down here, starting from the midpoint, so let's establish our midpoint. .45 and extrude to 0.45. Confirm, and the last thing to do would be to add this hexagonal cut extrusion in. So we need to go, okay, so here they give us not a depth of the cut, but they give us a distance away from the face of the flange. So we'll need to use a slightly different setting in our cut extrusion, but again, no biggie. Our distance across flats is going to be 0.25. So let's head back to SolidWorks and do that now. So heading into SolidWorks, we're going to need to use our polygon tool distance across flats of 0.25, and to constrain it we need to indicate that that would be horizontal and fully constrained. All we need to do now is extrude, and the depth we need to extrude to would be offset from surface, that surface. The distance to offset by would be 0.15. Adding that in, you can see that that doesn't go all the way to the end. It's offset from the bottom of the flange by the distance that we indicated. We can confirm that and add in our material. So according to our question, our material is ABS-PC. So let's do that now. Edit material. You can go ahead and search for that, ABS, and here we see ABS-PC. I'm going to apply. And finally, to confirm our mass, we get a mass of, so if you remember in our question, we needed to work to 4 decimal places. So we need to change the way our answer is to be able to give us 4 decimal places. So going to options, we can use custom settings and pump that up to 4. So there we can see we get a mass of 0.0056 pounds. So let's head over to our PDF and confirm our answer. Our answer is 0.0056 pounds. So I hope you guys got that right as well. If you didn't, let me know in the comments what you got, and any concerns or challenges that you may have had, let me know as well. And if you have any recommendations or suggestions or things you'd like to see on the channel, please let me know. And if you found this video helpful, consider giving me a subscribe and a like, and I will see you in the next video.